Okay, so first, we had a baby.
He's here. He was smaller when he was born.
Yes, he was smaller when he was born.
So this is my morning 37-week belly, my morning belly. And it's funny because the belly changes so much during the day. And you know, it's not a very big belly, which, you know, I think it's a good thing.
But we were planning for a home birth and complications happened and it turned into a hospital birth, which was actually really fine. Everything worked out perfectly well.
What are we doing?
Looking for gold bug.
We're looking for gold bug?
Yeah.
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 Are we reading Richard Scary?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And gold bugs are in this jet right here.
This might be the last day that this Pickle's our baby. You a baby? Or is Royal gonna be a baby?
When is he gonna come out?
He might come out today. He might come out tomorrow.
He might come out.
He was cute, our family loved him.
Yeah, we had the birthing pool and everything all set up.
Yeah.
And it didn't quite pan out.
No, it didn't pan out, but it was fine, it was great.
Yeah. So we went to the hospital, had the baby. Yana did some fentanyl, and then we came home.
So here it is, my postpartum body. Still look a bit pregnant. Home from the hospital.
He wants to eat.
Remember, you don't want to wake him up with clapping.
Look at the camera.
This is my postpartum view. Still, I have puffy feet, beautiful sky. Baby Royal has been sleeping on me for a while, and I'm sure I need to feed him soon.
But I did.
Okay. Making cinnamon rolls, and I think there's a little bit of discrepancy in the sizes. What do you think? Look at that massive one, and look at these skinny ones or short ones. It's so funny. He's staring straight at the phone. Graham, don't put his mouth. Don't put his.
Mom.
Hello.
Mom.
My tallow is almost out. Hey. I'm putting it on his face. It helps so much with the baby acne. I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All done. We're so grumpy. All done. Hello. Hi. Those are funny faces. Are you holding him under his booty?
Yeah.
Good.
If I wasn't, he would probably fall. Oh.
There, this goes into the oven. Into the oven. Goodbye. Woohoo.
Oh, EGG. That stands for X.
we went and got a Christmas tree and decided to try out our new 360 camera that we thought would be a really good tool for our family style videos. So we got to test that out when we did the
It's really fun to
Christmas
play
tree
with, actually. So.
What about this style, or do you like nobles? I guess these are.
See that big one right there? Yeah.
Where do they have how tall they are? Yeah, I think you want a noble, Yana. Watch out for tree stumps.
I know, that's what I'm looking for. These are just ugly, aren't they?
I don't like grams. These are. What do you think? This way, guys. Brambles.
Hold on to the tree, Jude.
Push it gently toward Valley.
On the trunk.
Oh.
Watch out, B.
Valley, move, honey, back up. It's going into the other tree. That's okay.
Okay. Let's go put it to the Land Rover. Do we have to leave the window open?
Yeah, a little bit. We're not very far from our house.
Can I stick a candy cane in his mouth while we sleep?
So let me demonstrate and we can try.
So after we got our Christmas tree and we did all Christmas and all that fun decorating stuff, we finally decided to go and do skiing. And Naaman has gone skiing. He went skiing when he was 4, and so now he's a pro.
I'm not very good at skiing at all.
Okay, but compared
Not
to
very
me,
good.
you're so good.
I know how to ski
I don't ski.
in theory more than in truth. But we wanted to take our kids skiing for a long time because we wanted them to be able to do something active, especially in the winter where it's always drizzly and cold and we just don't get out that much in the winter. We're like, okay, we really need to get into skiing this time, and it's something we wanted to do for a long time, and that's what 2025 is all about, is doing things we've always wanted to do, things that were closer to our true core selves. But skiing was the first thing, and I meant to go, and I looked at doing rentals. I meant to get some more things used. In the end, I only got used boots for one kid and used poles for 2 kids.
No used skis at all? All new skis?
So we went to the shop. I wanted to look at a couple things. I wanted to look for skis for myself because I'm not like growing or changing a lot. I mean, I am, but not in like height. So, but in the end, we just kept trying on skis, kept trying on boots, and we just bought them all. And we're like, oh, perfect. Now we're done.
Nice. Should we try the other ones too? You're just gonna try on some boots?
Got it.
ahead and leave them there and then just stand up for me. We're gonna try, you guys are gonna draw.
Just discovered this random thing and named his foot. That's a vein. You have like tons of blood going into your foot. Maybe that's why it's wide.
My feet are uneven.
I can see it from here.
I can slip my heel up and down a little bit, but
Valley. Once again, doing some walking. He's beeping. Hey. There's some laundry to do. Drying laundry. That's my new outer shell for skiing. I'm walking again. Okay, I'm gonna shower now. Well, I'm not actually going anywhere because the shower's right there. Oh, baby. Get an audience. You get Bubba's? Cute. Theodore, what are you doing in there? You want to go in the tree? What if I can't pull you back out? Is that cool? You. Okay, smile. Do a funny face. Very. Is your bum wet now?
Yeah. But I'm glad that I dried it off.
I do like how hot it is. You know what it is? It's probably his winter coat. And there's another one, Mom. He's curious. Hello. Oh, this is like, hello.
Grab stick.
If I give him just a little bit,
No, you can't give him any.
I won't actually give it to him.
You can't have any.
He wants it.
He's like, do you like yourself? What do you think?
My spoon was
Look at this. Look at this picture. Hey, whoa.
We were planning on going skiing, and it was really, really bad weather. It was like icy, rainy up at the mountain.
Yeah, it was way too warm. It melted and turned to slush,
So
basically.
instead,
We went to the beach.
we went to the beach.
it's a pretty typical day at the beach here, isn't it? Kind of regret is switching to jeans instead of waterproof pants. But it's all about that look. Here's the coast anyway. It's a different adventure vehicle now. on our car. Hello. He decided he likes our roof box. How you feeling? Don't touch it. Wait for your face. The rain is beginning here, and we are in Manzanita, one of our favorite beaches on the Oregon coast. One of the absolute best. This is the Graham view. The beach is a place of peace. Perhaps even more so in the winter than the summer for us. Aha! Got you again.
Going down.
Going down. Help me sure about that.
Going down. I'm trying.
First, let me test it.
Careful. You want me to give you a rope?
Dad.
Can you do it on your
I'm
own?
trying to help.
Don't get sand in your pants. What?
Daddy!
Heading up the hill. What a massive thrill. Yeah, let's take a look. Hey! I don't think he likes it out here.